let me show you how you can make use of Google VEO 3 for free. Yes, just for free, without paying time, without being on premium. I just created this now.
All right, boys, break time is over. Get to class now. Move it.
As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. What you just need to do is open your browser. What you just have to know is that you must have a Google or Gmail account. You must have a Gmail account and input this what's it called, URL docs.google.com/videos. Then you press enter. As you can see, it's going to open you or a panel like this. These are the videos I just created today. So now what you need to do is just click start a new video. You click on start a new video. You see the plus button. As you can see, it's going to show you the video models that they have. So from this, you see the VEO 3.1. I'll click on this. So I've selected my orientation, which is what's it called, 16:9. That is the landscape. So this is where I need to put in my information, my prompts. Although we have two options, we can either upload and animate your video or create from scratch. So I'll be creating from scratch, and I will advise you guys, whenever you want to input your prompts, don't just write create a video that says like this, like, you understand. Put your idea on Google, on GPT, and you get correct prompt. Let's say let me put in this information. I want to create a video of people riding an horse and blah blah blah. Just one prompt. Then I will just upload it. I will ask Google GPT, ChatGPT, to give me the video prompt. You understand? You see it now. Then I'm going to copy the prompts. This is the prompt. I'll copy it. Then I will head over to this and paste it here. Then create. It's going to generate. You can see the video is been generating. It's going to generate now. Let's wait for it. The generation has been done. As you can see, it's done generating. The next thing I'm going to do is just to drag this or click on this generation. I can just click on it and it will be appear here. You can see it. Then I will drag it.
Why did you stop?
Insert preview. Let me click on insert preview. As you can see it. See the way it fixed it in. Let's play it.
Why did you stop?
Can you see it? That's how to do it. And once you are done, you click on this what's it called, we have file here. We have file. See this file. Then you click on download, save as MP4. I'm going to click on MP4. As you can see, it's going to download now, and I will have it. I will have my download. I will have my video. So once it's been downloaded, let's now do another option, which is uploading. So as you can see it. Let me play it.
Why did you stop?
Can you see it? So next to it, now let's start again. Let's go to this angle. Now create from, we click on animate an image. Can you see it? So what are we going to do once we click on animate on the image? We have to upload an image. You can drag or upload your image. Let me agree. Then let me go to my download. Let me now you see. So I'm going to upload my image, and I will tell what I will give him the prompt that let the children behind. I'm just going to click on it. Behind him starts singing and dancing. So now I'm just click on generate. So it's going to generate now. Let's wait for it. Then once it's been done, let me just show us another dimension. In case we want to use in another orientation, probably we want to use square 1x1 or the portrait 9x16. That's the way we can change it. That's the way we can change before we generate our video. You understand? So let's wait for it till it's been done. So it's been done now. Let me delete this. Then I'll click on this. Then insert video. So now let's play this video.
Hooray, hooray, hooray.
Let me play it.
Let's all dance and sing today. Hip, hip, hooray, hooray, hooray.
So as you can see, that is how to make use of Google VEO 3 for free. Like I said, if you want to change your orientation, what you just have to do is you come here, you can change your aspect ratio. This is portrait, as you can, you see it. And also you come to this screen, video size, you change your video orientation, you change it to 19:9:16. Can you see it? So now, depending on your video, you have to drag it to suit you. You understand? You know, you must create it with the orientation. So that is how to change orientation. You see it? So now this thing has what's it called, limits. Once you exhaust your video creation, you have to switch to another Gmail to perform whatever you want to perform. So if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.